Hello, welcome to Check It Out with Rich. A company called Auskang. I think I might be butchering that. I'm not sure. It's Auskang. Well, they reached out to us to see if we want to try one of their portable phone chargers, and it looked pretty neat. So I said, sure. So they sent it to me, and Becky absolutely loves it. So actually, I'm gonna let her do the review on this because she's used it now for this whole week while we've been at the National Alliance Rally in Goshen, Indiana. So, what do you think, Beck?
Sure.
Okay, you good?
Okay, I'm
Okay,
good.
I'm gonna get up so I can get you sitting in the chair, and I'm not sitting next to you, ruining your video.
Okay.
All right.
All right. Okay, so like Rich said, the brand is Auskang. We think that's how you say it. It is a portable power bank. So in the box, you have the power bank itself and your instructions. It is a 5,000 milliamp hour charger. It's only about a 1/4 inch thick, 6 millimeters to be exact, and it is made of stainless steel material. And according to the box, it does have a 1-year warranty, and it gives you an email address if you have any issues. So it is very lightweight. And what I like about it the best, well, not about the best, it does have a sensor here that tells you it's either 0, 30%, 60%, or 100% charged. You just push the button to get that. My favorite thing is it has the connection for your phone built right in. The one I've been using you have to have a separate cord. So this is nice. It is a C connection. So you just take it, plug it into your phone, and you're good to go. And you can see how thin that is compared to my phone. So it's nothing to carry it around like your phone. You don't even realize it's there. It adds very little weight. And I can even fit both of these into my back pocket if I'm not holding my phone. Okay, so it does have another port, a USB-C port that you use to charge the device. But if you had to, you could plug another device into there and have 2 of them going at the same time. Since it is only the 5,000 milliamp hour battery, I got a good 100% one-time charge on my phone without having to recharge this. And my phone was down to in the teens for the battery. So it did charge it. It charged it fairly quickly. And it gave me that one good charge, and then I would just charge this up to have it ready for the next day. So I would give it 2 thumbs up. I really do like it. Not sure how much it costs. Rich will put right here in the video how much it costs. It is available on Amazon. And I do like the fact that it is nice and compact. Like I said, it can fit in your pocket, fits in your purse. You're sitting at the fire. You can have it in your hand in case you wanted to take photos of your friends. And all in all, in general, I give it 2 thumbs up. Okay, so thanks for checking it out. We'll see y'all next time. Bye.
Bye. Hello, and welcome to Check It Out with Rich. I know I'm going to butcher this name, but it's Auskang, Auskang, right?
That's what I would say.
Okay, so anyway,
I'm laughing because there's a train.
I know, I'm stopping.